Hi, Affordaplane Builders. This is Terry, Houston, Texas, real handyman. My previous video, I shared with you some of my rib bending techniques. I kind of walked through the process rather than did it. But I have a couple ribs left here, and I'm just going to show you real quick. I've already cut them to length, and I've already sanded them down on the grinder, so everything is nice and smooth. So we're going to walk out here to the jig. If you'll remember, we have two jigs that I'm using. I place the tip of the rib in here. I just check to make sure that I'm square, and then I gently pull back. I hold one end of my jig and I start pulling the rib, and I'm trying to keep it level with the board. I don't want to get it crooked. And then that right there is good for the first part. That gives me my initial bend. Now from here, we'll walk right over here. You'll recall from yesterday's video, this here is the jig that's in the plans. And I start by just inserting as much as I can get in there, and I pull it down level, and I just keep inching it in there. I could probably get this whole thing in here if I wasn't crowded, but a couple extra bends is okay. So now I'm holding this down, so I'm going to bend it back, and I'm bringing it to my line. This is the line that I showed y'all yesterday. Okay, from that point the rib's okay to go. I can take the other one out of the jig, and we can place this one in right here. And you can see it fits real nice. We push it down, and from that point we take one of our straight ribs, place it back here. I would then take another block to secure it, and then that's when I can start putting my templates on. So I just wanted to show you the rib bending process. I'll do one more for you. Where is the other rib? I had two ribs. There it is. Okay. Once again, I'll take this rib, place it in the jig. I'm going to check and make sure I'm just square in there. Brace up on one side, pull the rib back, and you'll notice it comes down beyond what the template is for the Affordaplane. But when I let go, it springs back. Now we want to go ahead and finish curving off the front. Alright, we'll place it on this side. Come on down. I just want to go flat. I don't want to go too much. Inch it down a little more. Now I can get it all the way in. I'm going to pull it down right to my arrow. Springs back. We place it in the jig. And okay, fellas, here's what a completed rib looks like. We just went ahead and placed the rivets in the front, and back here it's just a temporary fitting with some calicos, because where on the airplane we have truss or cross members in the frame, we'll have to be able to open this up to go around them. So not all of them are like that, but some of them are, and once we get them aligned on the airplane, we'll know which ones of these we can go ahead and button up, or once they're on the plane you can just button them all the way up. But you want to keep in mind to keep one open so that you can maneuver it around the wing. And I'll bring it over here to the wing, and I'm talking about these cross sections here. So if we have a spot where we need to go through like this, then we can separate it down there, thread our rib through, and then go ahead and put it back together. So right now I'm just going to check the fit here. Just like that. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe to the video. You can go to my Facebook page, Terry Adair, and I do have a folder that is named Affordaplane Build if you guys are interested in looking at some of the previous pictures from basically the start of the build. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Have a great day.